The Synactive theory of newborn behavioral organization and development, synaction N, or synactive adjective. This process is aimed at bringing about the increasingly well-defined species-unique developmental agenda. Figure 1, below, provides a graphic representation of the synactive theory of development, as applied to both fetal and newborn stages. The four subsystems include the autonomic subsystem, expressed in the pattern of respiration, e.g., fast, slow, pauses, color changes, e.g., pink, pale, red, neurological indicators, e.g., seizures, tremulousness, and visceral or gut signals such as bowel movements, gagging, and hiccuping, motor subsystem, observable through the tone, posture, and movement patterns of the infant, state and attention/interaction subsystem, expressed via 1. The range of states available to the infant, i.e. deep sleep, light sleep, drowsy, alert, hyperalert, and cry. 2. How clearly it is to observably differentiate one state from the other, and 3. The patterns of transitions from one state to another, e.g., smooth well-differentiated state transitions versus abrupt unorganized state transitions. The infant uses the state to take in cognitive and social information from the environment as well as to bring forth and modify inputs from the surrounding world, and regulatory subsystem, behaviorally represented via the observable strategies the infant uses, self-regulation, in maintaining a balanced, relatively stable and relaxed state of subsystem of functioning or in returning to this a state of subsystem functioning if imbalance, or stress has occurred within the subsystems. Toward a synactive theory of development, promise for the assessment of infant individuality. The synactive theory of development continues to be instrumental in guiding clinicians, e.g., neonatologists, nurses, psychologists, developmental specialists, physical/occupational therapists, etc., and researchers in their understanding of the often very small steps in development that prematurely born and other high-risk newborns attempt to accomplish, which are major steps for their immature or injured brain. Such accomplishments may include breathing, sucking, and swallowing in a coordinated sequence, moving food down into and through the stomach and intestinal tract instead of upwards, leading to reflux and vomiting, looking at the caregiver and breathing at the same time, as well as many others.